Hello Hungry Fam and welcome to our channel. Today I'm trying out viral Thetsa hacks from Instagram Reels and check if they are a hit or a miss. Before starting the video, like, comment, share and please subscribe to our channel, it means a lot. And there's a special giveaway coming very soon, so fatafat subscribe kar lo. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook at @hungerplans. Also click on the bell icon to get all the post notifications. आज के सारे वीडियोस में we are going to need Thetsa, which is a Maharashtrian spicy condiment, and me being a Maharashtrian myself, मैं बचपन से ठेचा खाते आ रही हूँ and this is how we make it at home. In a tawa, add groundnut oil. Once it's hot, add 50 grams of garlic and 100 grams of non-spicy chili. आपको बहुत spicy खाना पसंद है then you can add the dark green वाले spicy chilies also. But ये वाले chili से ना you will enjoy eating Thetsa and not regret it the next day. Anyways, roast the chili and garlic अच्छे से for 4 to 5 minutes. Then add 60 grams of peanuts and 1 inch ginger. Roast until it's slightly golden. अच्छे से सब कुछ रोस्ट किया ना, especially the chilies, then it won't upset your stomach. हमें बोलते हैं कि व्यवस्थित मिरचीला भाजलं तर पोटाला बाधत नाही. Now add 1 teaspoon of jeera. Roast it. Switch off the flame. Add a bit of salt and coriander leaves. Mix it a bit and let it cool down completely. After cooling it down, traditionally इसको ठेचते हैं in a stone खलबत्ता to get the perfect consistency. But honestly, that's a lot of work. Hands down to our mothers and grandmothers जो ये traditional way में करते थे. They were truly super women. But I cannot do that. You can of course do that, but I have a ligament tear on my right wrist. So I'm using a mixer. Pulse it 4 to 5 times. Then squeeze a lemon on top so that the color remains green only. And here your modern day Thetsa is ready. Hack तो सबसे unique है. Who imagined making a Thetsa orange chaat? Sounds only weird. And जहाँ weird combination आते हैं वहाँ तो I have to try them out. First peel an orange. ये मुझे करना ना एक बड़ा त्रास लगता है. Peeling an orange is my least favorite thing to do. इसलिए मुझे orange भी खाना पसंद नहीं है. Comment below if you have a easy way of doing it. Anyways, after struggling for 5-10 minutes, orange तो peel हो गया. Now separate the orange segments and transfer them in a bowl along with the Thetsa we made. ये जो मैंने सिलबत्ता पे बनाया था वो वाला Thetsa यूज कर रही हूँ. To that add salt and squeeze some lemon over it. Also add chopped coriander leaves and just toss it up using 2 forks and mix it well. And here your orange Thetsa chaat is ready within 5 minutes. Quite easy, looks unique, love the vibrant color. Let's taste it. Okay, wait, what? I need to try that again. My brain is so confused right now. It's so good. The khattapan of the orange with the Thetsa ka spiciness, nuttiness and garlicky flavor combination. And end में एक hint of sweetness is something else only. Literally all the flavors will burst in your mouth. Exactly what a chaat does. Do try it yourself to be as surprised as me. I'm going to rate it a 9 on 10 and it's a hit. Recently, paneer Thetsa recipe of Malaika Arora was quite trending. अभी इसके काफी variations आए हैं, so let's try that. पहले एक block of पनीर को coat करना है जो हमने Thetsa बनाया था उससे. Detailed recipe and all the video credits description में मिल जाएंगे. Surprisingly, it sticks to the paneer quite easily. Give it a even coat and shallow fry from all the sides. It almost feels and looks like I'm cooking a herb steak. Once you have seared it from all the sides, take it out on a chopping board and chop it roughly into tiny pieces. Then take bread slices, apply green chutney over it. इसकी रेसिपी ना रमजान वाले वीडियो में आपको मिल जाएगी. Then add the chopped paneer over the slices and top it up with mozzarella cheese. Add butter in a pan and place the prepared bread slices over it. Cover and let the cheese melt completely. Looks amazing. Let's take it out and cut it in half. The aroma is super tempting, so fat se let's dig in. Wow, that cheese pull is very satisfying. एकदम ही perfect आया है. And the taste, oh my god, is so good. The bread is nice and crunchy from the edges. The paneer is soft. The cheese adds to a nice creaminess. It's not spicy, but you can literally taste the peanuts and the entire theza ka mixture. Must combination bana hai of the creamy paneer with spicy and nutty theza. Paneer balances out all the spiciness. It's a great twist to your regular cheese chili toast. Guest को serve करने या evening snack के लिए it's a perfect dish. Definitely try it out. It's a 10 on 10 and a hit. मेरे फ्रिज में आपको hummus हमेशा मिलेगा ही since my husband is literally obsessed with it. So the next hack I'm just trying out for him. First, I soaked 1 cup of chickpeas overnight. Then add it in a cooker along with a bit of salt. Add water till the chole is covered. Close the lid and cook till 5 to 6 whistles. Once the pressure is released, check if the chickpeas are cooked. Looks perfect to me. Let it cool down now. Then in a blender, add the theza we prepared and add boiled chickpeas with olive oil and blend into smooth consistency. थोड़ा ये blend होने में दिक्कत हो रहा था. Then I realized I forgot to add ice cubes. So half blend होने के बाद I added it and अभी ये अच्छे से nice and smooth हो गया है. For serving, take it out on a plate. Smoothen it out using the back of your spoon and ऐसे थोड़ा round घुमा दो. Drizzle more olive oil over it. I didn't have olives या pomegranate seeds, so I just used chili powder to garnish. Fork में chili powder लगा के हमें ऐसे imprint करना है. Looks fancy, right? It's so simple yet it looks like a dish served in a Mediterranean restaurant. Let's dig in. I didn't have a cracker, so मैं इसको खाकरा के साथ taste करने वाली हूँ. Wow, just look at that texture. It's so good. And the taste, oh my god, hummus has literally got an upgrade. It's very flavorful, perfectly spicy, garlicky, nutty and creamy. This dip has definitely become our favorite now. इसमें tahini, that is sesame seed का paste नहीं डाला है जो actually main hummus का flavor देता है. इसमें peanut use किया है which surprisingly tastes very similar. I just can't wait to make rolls and sandwiches with this theza hummus. Let me know if you want those recipes. It's also a 10 on 10 and a big hit. Next hack is again a variation of theza paneer. इसको और elevate किया है टिक्की बना के. For that, in a bowl, add the theza and a block of paneer. Then crumble and mix it. Okay, I would suggest paneer को अलग से crumble करके add करो. Since now it's very difficult to mix the two. After 10 minutes, finally my crumble is ready. Take a ball-sized portion on your palm and shape it like a tikki like so. Then add oil in a pan. Once it's hot, add the tikkis and shallow fry until they are nice and golden brown. थोड़ा इनको flip करना was difficult, but कोई नहीं. Take them out of the pan and serve it hot. Looks great. Let's taste it. Okay, you can clearly see it's crumbling up and falling apart. Fry करते वक्त भी ऐसी दिक्कत आ रही थी. Actually इसमें extra binding agent नहीं डाला है, so maybe that's why they are falling apart. Coming back to the taste, it's nice, very balanced. You get a nice theza ka taste, but I'm missing the creaminess here. I mean, tikkis are not melting in your mouth जैसे आलू टिक्की या कोई अपन रास्ते पे रगड़ा पैटिस वाला टिक्की खाते हैं. It literally melts in your mouth and gives you that wholesomeness. इसमें ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. It's grainy for me, which I'm not liking here. So for me, this hack is a 50-50. I enjoyed trying all the hacks. You try them out and let me know your feedback. Comment below a chili emoji to get a special shout out. And stay tuned for the big giveaway that is coming soon. Today's shout out goes to Zoheba, Tanya Singh and Timeline 379. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram and Facebook at @HungerPlans. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more amazing videos.